This journey for us has been quite one of discovery. We see the opportunities are there, but we don't quite know what the opportunities will look like.
An architect doesn't or shouldn't assume that their clients know how to approach this. So that's my job in working with my clients.
Yeah.
I ask a lot of questions. I try to understand, what is it that really matters to each of you? It almost always is different in some ways, but people. So that needs to
we have
be-
a lot of, we've merged, in a lot of the aspects, and then we figured out how, to marry, some of the others. We want to build something that's fire resistant, and then also takes advantage of solar and insulation so that we keep the inside cool during the summer, warm during the winter. We've put together some storyboards that have the features that we want, and we've talked about, ground space as well as the kitchen, wanting to take advantage of some views.
You were asking about questions. So in the pre-design phase, my list of questions it's about what we're doing and it's about feasibility, so that's the money, it's what's your latitude, how set are you on straw bale? Can you find the contractor who's really interested in learning this or not? And do you even want to go there? Do you want to spend all that time? And is that, or are you kind of ready to get your house done?
We may end up with a little tiny hut, but we want to start out.